We'll guide you through how to download and install Outlook on your Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So what you need to do is come down to the bottom and go and open up a web browser. I just go and use Safari. And what you then want to do is go and search for Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. So I'll go and type it in now. Go and click on office.com like so. And then here you can go and click on sign in like so. And what you can then do is go and enter in your email. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, you can really easily go and create one. After you've signed in or created your account, you can actually go and use Outlook in your browser by coming over to the left here. But to go and get it on your computer, you need to go and get Microsoft 365. Go to the top right and click on buy if you haven't already got it. And what you can then do is go and subscribe yearly or monthly. It's up to you. After you've subscribed, in the top right, you'll then go and see the option for install apps. Go and click there and the download will then go and begin. Now what you need to do is wait for this to finish. After it's finished, go and open up your Finder and come to your downloads and go and find the installer. Then all you need to do is go and double click on it like so. And I forgot to say before, depending upon the package or subscription you've got, you'll go and get access to other apps as well. You need to enter in your password to confirm you wish to install the software. After you've installed it, then all you need to do is go to the top right of your Mac, you can click on search and you can go and type in Outlook. And you can then go and open it up and you can go and start using it. You'll need to go and add in your account, but it's super simple.